Today I'm going to show you how to fix a wart like this one, and which I found about 2 days ago. I remember in the past when I went to the doctor office, and I remember the doctor has a big giant container next to me, and he used liquid nitrogen to freeze the wart. And I remember he stick the rock on my wart, and it feels so cold. And then the rock stuck to my skin, and when he pulled it out, it hurt like crazy. So today I'm going to show you how to burn this wart with heat instead of freezing it. And in the past it worked for me, but please do not do it yourself. Warning again, please do not do it yourself. I do it because I've done that in the past and it worked for me, but it may not work for you. So again, don't do it. It's just for your entertainment only. And if you do it, you may get an infection and may end up in the hospital or losing a finger. This is what I'm going to do. Turn on the fire, put a metal stick there, heat it up, and then stick it to the wall like this. So I'm going to heat the rod for about 30 seconds to make sure that the temperature is high enough to kill the wart. Okay, 30 seconds up. Here we go. Do it again. Another 30 seconds. Again, heat it up. The fifth time, heat it up. I just keep going and going until it covers all the area and make sure the wart is totally killed. Heat it up again. Okay, last time one more. It will be longer. Maybe 50 seconds. Alright. Okay, since it's a large area, it takes me a while to cover the whole area and burn them all. Okay, this is how it looks like. Once I burn it, and you should kill the wart. Since the metal stick touches the wart, I need to burn it with fire to sanitize it so it won't get contaminated. And alright, this is how I fix my wart problems. Please again, do not do it yourself. For your entertainment only. Thanks for watching.